Hello everyone, today's menu is chicken Alfredo. This delicious dish is rich and hearty with creamy white sauce for a flavorful meal. For a fuller meal, enjoy this with a side salad or eat it as is. So, if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have some mushrooms. I'm just slicing them up. And then here I have some bacons, and I'm just going to cut them up into smaller pieces. Oh, I love me some bacons. I'm just shredding some cheese, and this is mozzarella. And I always prefer shredding my cheese just so it doesn't have all those other ingredients that you don't need. In a skillet over medium high, I'm just going to add in the bacons. And then I'm just going to give it a stir to slightly cook evenly. I'm going to cook this for about a good couple minutes, just once the bacon's starting to turn a beautiful brown color. Okay, after 7 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to remove them and put them into a paper plate lined with paper towel. And I'm not going to cook them all the way because they will continue cooking in the oven. In the same skillet, I remove all the bacon grease except for 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to add in the mushrooms. And then I'm going to give it a stir and cook this for a couple minutes or until it's slightly tender and well down a little bit. Okay, after 3 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to remove them. In the same skillet, I'm just going to add in the butter, the mascarpone, and then some heavy cream, and some chicken broth, along with some garlic powder, and some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give a mix, combine everything well, and then I'm going to cook this until it's nice and melted. Once it's nice and melted, I'm going to add in the Parmesan cheese along with 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then I'm just going to give it a stir to combine everything well, and then I'm going to cook this until it's nice and melted. And then I'm just going to go in and give it another stir. And at this point, you can go ahead and taste for the seasoning, but for me, this is perfect. And then now you can turn off the stove once it's nice and melted. Here in a large bowl, I'm going to add in my shredded chicken, and this is just rotisserie. And then I'm going to add in my cooked bacons, along with my mushrooms. And then this is some spinach, and I did thaw and squeeze. And then I'm just going to pour the sauce all into the bowl. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in and give it all a nice toss to combine everything well. This looks good already, just as is. Okay, this looks good. I'm just going to set this aside for a second, and then I'm going to bring in my casserole dish, and I did already grease a little bit of the side and the bottom, and then make sure to turn your oven on to 400 degrees. I'm just going to dump in the mixture. And then I'm just going to go in and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Okay, this looks good. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the remaining of the cheese. just all over it. And then I'm going to bake this for about 20-25 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted. Here is the end results of the chicken Alfredo. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.